Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow dreamers, I stand before you today not just as a speaker, but as a messenger of the transformative power that lies within each and every one of us. Today, we embark on a journey together, a journey towards unlocking our full potential, towards achieving our wildest dreams, towards mastering the art of focus. In a world brimming with distractions, staying focused has become a rare and invaluable skill. It is the cornerstone of success, the catalyst for greatness, and the secret ingredient that separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Yet, in our fast-paced society, maintaining focus has become an increasingly daunting task. We are bombarded with notifications, entangled in a web of obligations, and constantly battling against the incessant noise of the modern world. But fear not, for within each of us lies the power to reclaim our focus, to silence the chaos, and to channel our energies towards that which truly matters. Today, I urge you to join me in embracing the power of focus, for it is the key that unlocks the doors to our deepest desires and most audacious goals. So, what exactly is focus, and why is it so crucial to our success? Focus is more than just the ability to concentrate. It is a state of mind, a laser-like clarity that allows us to direct our attention and energy towards a singular objective. It is the unwavering determination to pursue our goals with relentless passion and unwavering dedication. Think of focus as a magnifying glass, capable of harnessing the scattered rays of sunlight and converging them into a single, powerful beam. With focus, we can illuminate the path ahead, banish the shadows of doubt, and ignite the flames of inspiration within our souls. But how do we cultivate this elusive quality of focus? How do we train our minds to stay on course amidst the whirlwind of distractions that threaten to derail our progress? The answer lies in mindfulness, discipline, and purpose. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, of quieting the chatter of the mind, and of tuning into the rhythm of our breath. By cultivating mindfulness, we can sharpen our focus like a finely honed blade, cutting through the clutter and honing in on what truly matters. Discipline is the cornerstone of focus, the bedrock upon which our greatest achievements are built. It is the daily commitment to showing up, putting in the work, and refusing to be swayed by the siren song of instant gratification. Discipline is not always easy, but it is always worth it, for it is the bridge that spans the gap between where we are and where we want to be. Purpose is the fuel that ignites the fires of focus, the driving force that propels us forward even in the face of adversity. When we are clear about our purpose, when we are aligned with our deepest values and highest aspirations, focus becomes not just a choice but a calling, a sacred duty to ourselves and to the world. But make no mistake, the path to mastery is not always smooth or straight. Along the way, we will encounter obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. We will stumble and fall, falter and fail. But it is in those moments of adversity that our true strength is revealed, for it is in the crucible of struggle that greatness is forged. So, my dear friends, I urge you to embrace the challenges that lie ahead, to welcome them as opportunities for growth and transformation. For it is through the fires of adversity that we are purified, strengthened, and refined. And remember, the journey towards mastery is not a solitary one. We are all in this together, bound by a shared vision of a brighter future and a better world. So let us lift each other up, support each other's dreams, and celebrate each other's victories as if they were our own. In closing, I leave you with these words of wisdom. Stay focused, stay determined, and never lose sight of the magnificent potential that lies within you. The world is waiting for your light to shine, so go forth and illuminate the darkness with the brilliance of your focus, the power of your passion, and the depth of your purpose. Thank you.